Welcome to all. We completed bounded media or guided media, and that is also known as wired media till now. Now we have to start with unbounded media or wireless media from network technology. Let's see. In unbounded media, the first one is radio wave, second is microwave, and third one is satellite. These three things we have to see. Let's see one by one. Radio waves. It is used to convey information from one place to another. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पे अगर हमें information pass करनी है, so we can use radio wave. Radio waves are easy to generate. It can travel long distance. Frequency is between 10 kilohertz to 1 gigahertz, and it can travel in all direction, hence it is known as omnidirectional. This is very important feature, that it can travel to all direction, hence it is omnidirectional wave also. It can easily penetrate through obstacles. मतलब अगर रेडियो वेव ट्रांसमिट हो रहे हैं उसके बीच में अगर कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आती है, then also radio wave will pass from those obstacles. Radio waves has following types. First one is short wave, second is VHF, that is very high frequency, third one is UHF, that is ultra high frequency. See the transmission, how the wave is transmitted from transmitter to receiver. Okay, next is microwave media. The important thing is microwave media is guided by repeater. So let's see what is repeater. To our near about place we can see such network tower. On this network tower, if we are able to see such kind of structure, this is known as repeater. Okay, तो आपके आसपास जो भी टावर होगा उधर ये सब जो आप देख रहे हैं, ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है, दिस इज नोन एज रिपीटर, एंड इट इज यूज्ड टू एक्सपांड योर नेटवर्क लेंथ. नेटवर्क को दूर तक और बढ़ाने के लिए, और कोई भी सिग्नल अगर पास हो रहा है उसे टिल द एंड पहुंचाने के लिए वी हैव टू यूज रिपीटर. ओके, क्यों रिपीटर? if we are using, it will expand network length first, and second thing, it will amplify our signal also, so our signal will be always strong. Frequency is near about 100 gigahertz, and it can pass through hilly areas. Okay, repeaters are more to keep signal strong. जितना हम repeater ज़्यादा यूज करेंगे उतना हमारा signal strong रहेगा. And it is applicable for about 200 किलोमीटर of earth surface. earth surface के 200 किलोमीटर तक ये valid है. Costly due to use of multiple repeater. ये costly हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है? Because we are using multiple repeater in this. So ये इसका cost जो हो रहा है वो ज़्यादा जा रहा है, and that is applicable for about 200 किलोमीटर only. ये भी ये क्या है, इसका एक प्रॉब्लम है. See the structure, how data is transmitted using microwave media for about 200 kilometer of earth surface. To overcome this problem, satellite comes into picture. Why? Which problems? To overcome multiple cost of repeater first of all, and second to cover maximum area of earth surface. How these problems are solved? One master repeater is created known as satellite. What it means? जो satellite है वो क्या है? One kind of master repeater is there. Satellite हमारा master repeater ही है. It covers maximum earth surface, also known as geostationary satellite. इसमें मैक्सिमम अर्थ सरफेस कवर हो रहा है तो ये geostationary satellite भी है. See the structure, how data is transmitted from one place to another with help of satellite. This is known as uplink process, this is known as downlink process. Okay, always frequency of uplink will be less from downlink. Clear? What is the advantages of unbounded media? The first thing is it is wireless media. Second, high data rate with large bandwidth, and media can send data to hilly and rural areas also. ये इसके फीचर्स हैं. डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या हैं? लैक ऑफ सिक्योरिटी, बट ऑब्वियस इट इज़ वायरलेस, सो यहाँ पे लैक ऑफ सिक्योरिटी है. EMI will be more. Electromagnetic interference of extra signal will be more here. So reduce this. If you want to reduce this EMI, we have to use repeater more, because EMI is more. How much signal is weakened, that is your attenuation will also be more. EMI ज़्यादा है तो attenuation भी ज़्यादा रहेगा. डेटा में बी करप्टेड बाय एटमॉस्फेरिक नॉइज. एटमॉस्फेयर में जितना भी डेटा है और नॉइज है, दैट विल करप्ट आवर डेटा. नेक्स्ट, इंफ्रारेड. वी आर यूजिंग फ्रॉम मोबाइल्स ऑल्सो, एंड वी नो about this infrared. What is this? Infrared frequency is just below the visible light, allows high speed data transmission. Technology is same as use of remote control for the TV. Okay, ये टेक्नोलॉजी कैसी है? जैसे हमने टीवी के लिए रिमोट कंट्रोल यूज किया है, एंड वी ऑल आर नोइंग. ओके, इंफ्रारेड फॉल्स इनटू टू कैटेगरी. कौन सी है? पॉइंट टू पॉइंट एंड ब्रॉडकास्ट. पॉइंट टू पॉइंट means what? It is applicable directly between two system, direct contact between two system. Many laptops uses point to point transmission. Okay, example TV remote, AC remote. Clear? And broadcast is your second type, and it uses spread signal. One broadcast to all direction instead of direct beam. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? सेंडर एक होगा and receiver will be more. Allows multiple receiver of signal. It is one to one, it is one to many. Example is Wi-Fi. You can see with the help of Wi-Fi how we can control TV with remote. Okay, and see here we all are having infrared in our mobile also, so how we can control AC with this mobile also. This also you are knowing very well. Okay, these are all about unguided media or wireless media. Thank you.